Dear student, today I will solve remaining question of exercise 2.5. Question number 5. Factorize. First part 4x square plus 9y square plus 16z square plus 12xy minus 24yz minus 16xz. So now use identity we can solve this polynomial equation. So now makes a identity base, so 2x square and also 3y square and plus 4z square. So plus, so we know that identity a plus b plus c whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. So use this identity here. So now this is positive. So first and second taken positive because x and y variable, so multiply will positive taken as. So now 2 times of first into second, so 2 times of first into second, so 2x into 3y and also, so this is taken negative. So first take second taken negative, positive and third taken negative. So this is minus taken. So now plus 2 times of 2 times of second into third. So BC, so 2 times of second into third. So 2 times 3y into minus 4z and plus, so this is also taken negative. So this is 2 times third into first, so this is third into first. So 2 times of third minus 4z into first 2x. So a plus b plus c whole square, a square plus b square plus c square plus 2 times of first into second plus 2 times of second into third plus 2 times of third into first. So now use in this way, so you can write 2 chi square 4, so 2x square 3y square 4z square. So this is xy variable positive, so multiply 2 times first into second and plus, so this is negative, so second positive, third taken negative, to multiply negative will get negative. So also, and third 2 times third into first, so multiply this way and taken multiply will get negative. So now this value multiply, so get this accurate. So 3 2 is 6, 2 is 12 x into y and 4 3 is 12, 2 is 24 and this is plus minus taken minus and also plus minus, so get minus 4 2 is 8, 2 is 16 z into x. So now this is use, so taken 2x and plus sign 3y and taken negative 4z whole square. So this is answer of this question. Also we can write, so we can solve this problem using this identity. So now initially max square. So now root 2 x square and plus y square and plus, so root 2 z whole square. So this is 8 2, this is 2 root 2 whole square. So first taken negative. So first, so x into y, so this is x multiple y product. So variable this is taken negative, so this is also y exists, so this is both sign negative, but so this is first negative and second positive. So this is x in exists variable x and x, so taken negative, so this is now taken negative. So now taken negative. So plus 2 times of multiple first into second. So 2 times minus root 2 x and into y plus 2 times of second into third. So y into 2 root 2 z, and so this is plus 2 times of third into first to 2 root 2 z into first minus root 2 x. So now check the value above get become, so 2 root 2 y xy, this is plus minus, so this is completed, and 2 to the 4 and root 2 and yz plus taken, so positive, and plus minus 2 to the 4 to the 8 zx, also this is completed. So now get minus root 2 x plus y plus 2 root 2 z whole square. This is answer. Question number 6. Write the following cubes in expanded form. First part, 2x plus 1 whole cube of 2x plus 1. So use identity since a plus b whole cube, a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. So use this identity here. So we can write 2x whole cube plus 1 का cube plus 3 times of a square 2x square into 1 plus 3 times of 2x into 1 का square. So 2 का cube 8x cube plus 1 का cube 1 plus 3 4x square plus 3 into 2x into 1. So now 8x cube plus 1 plus 12x square plus 6x. So also 8x cube plus 12x square plus 6x plus 1. This is answer. Also whole cube of 2a minus 3b. So now use identity a plus a minus b whole cube. So this is minus, so a minus b whole cube, a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. So this identity use here. So now we get 2a cube minus 3b cube minus 3 times of 2a into 3b. So 3 times of plus 3 times of 2a into 3b whole square. So this a minus b whole cube is equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus ab square. So now this identity use here. So this is 2a cube minus this is 3b cube minus 3 times of 2a square into 3b plus 3 times of 2a into 3b square. So now we can write 2 cube 8a cube minus 3 cube 27b cube. So minus 3 into 4a square into 3b plus 3 into 2a into 9b square. So also we can write 8 cube minus 27b cube. So 3 3s are 9, 4 minus 36 a square b plus, so this is 3 into 2 6 into 9 54 ab square. So this is answer of given polynomial. So third part 3 by 2x plus 1 whole cube is equal to, since identity a plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab square plus 3a square b. So now use this identity here. So 3 by 2x whole cube plus 1 cube plus 3 times of 3 by 2x whole square into 1 and plus 3 by 2x into 1 square. So 327 upon 8 x cube plus 1 plus 3 into 9 upon 4 x square and plus 3 into 3 by 2x to 1. So this is 27 upon 8 x square plus 1 plus 27 upon 4 x square plus 9 upon 2 x. This is answer. Also this use identity a minus b whole cube is equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. So use this identity. Here we write x power 3 minus 2 by 3 y power 3 minus 3 times x square into 2 by 3 y and plus 3 times x into 2 by 3 y whole square. So we can write x cube minus 2 8 upon 27 y cube and 3 cancel out. So 2 x square y and also plus 3x 4 upon 9 y square. So 339. So x cube minus 8 upon 27 y cube minus 2 x square y plus 4 upon 3 xy square. This is answer of given question. That's all. Thank you.